Hello guys, I welcome you all to today's video. In today's video, we'll be looking at how to trade the spikes using the trend trading strategy in boom and crash. Okay, it's a kind of part. It's a kind of continuation of our training program. Okay, which is trend trading strategies for trading boom and crash. Okay, this is going to be the part 5, but I'm not going to label it part 5 because it has to do with spikes trading, which is a whole lot of training on its own. So I'm going to give it a new topic, and that is why I titled it how to trade the spikes using the trend in boom and crash. Okay, it is a trend trading strategy for trading the spikes in boom and crash, rather, in boom and crash. Okay, so it's going to be a full training session for spikes trading. So in case you have been looking for how to trade spikes or how to avoid the spikes, then you need to watch this video or complete the training session on this, because I'm not sure if this video will be the only video on it. Okay, it's possible for us to have other parts of it in order to conclude with it. Okay, so that is how it's going to work. So it's, if you are taking all these training sessions very serious, then you will be able to milk the market successfully with this. Okay, so make sure you get your writing materials ready so that you won't be distracted whenever we are starting. Okay, whenever the video is going on. So let's go straight into what we have right away. But before we do that, in case you are joining us for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is the platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some money for yourself online. So all you just need to do is just to browse through the channel, watch some of my video clips, and make sure you practice and perfect your skill first on your demo account before you try them out on your real account. This is very, very important. And if you love my videos, kindly give me thumbs up and share with families and friends. And of course, if you have any question about any of my video, or probably you want to know more about my trading strategies, or maybe you would like to know more about my trading tools, feel free to contact me. My contact details are always displayed on the screen, and you will also find them in the description box below this video. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, then you are missing a lot, because I usually put out different training programs like this on how you can milk the market successfully on the channel. And if you are not a subscriber, definitely you won't be notified whenever I do so. Okay, so check below this video for the subscription button, click on it, and also turn on the notification bell to all notifications. That way you will always be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay guys, so let's go straight into what we have right away. Okay guys, trend trading strategy is what we've started with for the past few days now. For about 4 days now, we've been trading different sessions of trend trading strategies so that you will understand how to trade it successfully. But quickly, in today's video, we will be checking out how you can turn the trend trading strategy into your own advantage trading the spikes. Okay, but before we learn how to trade the spikes, or before we go straight to the charts to trade the spikes, there are some things you need to look out for before you trade the spikes. Okay, so you need to know the exact trend for trading the spikes for each of the assets. Okay, so I'm just going to narrow it down to the group of boom and also to the group of crash. Okay, so that it is the same thing that is applicable for boom 500 that you also use for boom 1000. Okay, so I'm just going to label it boom and crash, so because it's standing for both assets under boom. Okay, so that is it. So you need to understand when you should go out in order to trade the spikes whenever you are trading any of these assets. Okay, you don't just go to the market and say you want to trade the spikes, then you start placing pending orders or placing instant orders, and if you do that, you end up crashing your account immediately. You end up blowing off your account immediately. You need to know when the spikes are likely to happen. Okay, you need to know the best trend when we have more spikes happening around the market for each of these assets. Okay, so that is why I am dishing out this training video, so that you will understand how to go about it. And even if you want to avoid the spikes, once you know where they are happening or where we have more spikes happening, then you should know that you shouldn't be in the market around there, or probably you should exit the market once it is approaching those areas. Okay, so let's quickly check out when we usually have spikes happening in these two assets. Okay, for boom, we will be focusing more on boom. Okay, for boom, in most cases we start having we get spikes. um we usually have spikes happening around the support region. Okay, around the support region, that is when we usually have spikes happening. You just see it spiking up once it is approaching the support region. Then there is another way where we usually get this. Okay, when there is a breakout. Okay, when there is a breakout from the resistance region. Okay, once there is a breakout from the resistance region, okay, the breakout must be above the resistance region. It must be above the resistance region. For instance, this is the resistance region, and the market got to the resistance region, it respected it, came down a bit, then went back up. But this time around, instead of it pulling it downward, it went above it. It broke out from the resistance region, and that way it leads into a major spike, and you see it's spiking up and spiking up. Okay, because once this is broken out, once this resistance is broken out, it turned the resistance into support immediately, which still gives us the reason why we should be careful about the support region whenever we are trading boom. Okay, so which means the support region is very important for spikes trading in boom. Okay, so that is very important. Once you understand this, then you will know when to exit the markets, even if you are trading the normal trend, or when to come into the trade to trade the spikes. Okay, so that is very important once you understand this. Okay, so another thing you should take note of whenever you are trading spikes, or when you are trying to avoid spike, is the trend. Like I always tell you in all my videos, the trend is even more important than any of the analysis you are making. Okay, once you are able to get the right trend, then you will be able to milk the market successfully. Okay, how do we know the trend that supports spikes trading, or that gives us more spikes whenever we are trading? For boom, okay, we are still analyzing boom, we are still opening up boom dictionary. Okay, for boom, it is just going to be on uptrend. Okay, when the market is on uptrend, or when it is about going on uptrend, you see more spikes happening around the uptrend region compared to when it is on downtrend. Okay, you see more spikes at that stage. All the support region are very important. No matter how weak that support region is, it is very important. You need to obey them. Okay, because at that stage you have more spikes happening around there. Okay, so let's go straight to the chart to check this out. Okay, since we are focusing on boom for now, okay, so we will be checking out boom spikes that are happening within boom. Okay, so this is boom 1000. Let's start with boom 1000, then after that we go to boom 500. Maybe in tomorrow's video we're going to discuss more on crash. Okay, so that we will take them one after the other for you guys to understand these topics very well because I've treated this topic before, but more questions are still coming up on it, and that is why I'm taking the whole training session all over again. And I started about a week ago, and we are still on it till now. Okay, I just want to make sure I give you everything that you need to be successful whenever you are trading. Okay, so this is it. Like I said, your trend is always the first thing you should be bothered about. Okay, if you can identify the trend, most especially the beginning of the trend, then you are very good to. You are very good. You are okay with your trading. You are okay with your trading, and you are good to go. Okay, so right here you can see that right from this section the market was on downtrend, and if you should notice, there are more downtrend candles than the spikes that are happening, okay, around here. Okay, but this is 5 minute time frame, so if we can have more downtrend candles like this on 5 minute time frame, it shows that we have lesser amount of spikes happening around there until when it got to this support region, it spiked up, tried to break it again, spiked up again, but this time around, instead of breaking it, it spiked up again, and it's led into an uptrend, and that is why we have the trend changing from red to green. Okay, check out starting from here, check out the spikes that happen starting from this region. Okay, if you had come in here, you can see that you would have milked the market till it got to this resistance level. Check out, this is 5 minute time frame. Check out this long candle. There is a small downtrend candle here. Then this is another candle, this is another candle, this is another. You can see the series of spikes happening on this radar. Okay, you can see the series of spikes happening on this trend. So that shows that on uptrend like this, you get more spikes happening around here, and every support region are very important. You can see that at every support region, even though they are weak ones, the spikes are still happening there. Okay, even though there are weak ones, the spikes are still happening there. You can see them, so that is why you need to take note of them and take them very serious. Check out here, the spikes happen around here, but when it turned down to downtrend, it didn't happen. It broke it and went straight down. Check out here too, it went straight down. So that shows that in downtrend, for boom, in downtrend, the spikes, we have lesser amount of spikes happening around there, but in uptrend we have more spikes happening around there. So if you want to avoid spike at all, if you want to avoid spikes totally, you should run away from two things. Okay, when you are trading boom, you should run away from the support region, and above all, you should run away from the uptrend region. Okay, you should run away from the markets when the market is on uptrend. That is very important. You can see, can you imagine you trading normally and you got caught up in this spike? You can say that it's going to wipe off your accounts away. Look at where it stopped, guys. Look at where it stopped. It's going to wipe off your accounts away before you think of recovering back your account. Okay, it's going to wipe it off away, except if you have a very strong trading capital and you are using a meaningful lot size. Okay, so let's check out boom 500 also. Of course, in boom 500 you should expect more spikes than boom 1000, because boom 500 is more volatile than boom 1000, and that is why you need to respect the trend and also respect the support region. Okay, you can see when the market was on downtrend, we have more downtrend candles than the spiking candle. Okay, but when the market was on uptrend, right here you can see that we are having lesser amount of downtrend candle than, compared to the spiking candles that we had. Okay, you can see it spiking up. Check out this from this support region. This is a single spike on 5 minutes. This is another one. This is another one. This is another one. You can see till it got to this level. Okay, that is when the buy signal is always stronger than the sell signal. Okay, so you can see this again. It spiked up till it got to this level. So guys, you need to be watchful of this. You need to take notes of this in order to trade your spikes success. You can see it's just spiked up again. You saw that, right? It just spiked up again. It has spiked up before, and we still had the buy arrow showing, and it spiked up again. So that is it. That is why I said every support region, whenever the market is on uptrend, is very, very important. So you don't joke with that. You don't joke with that at all. That is very, very important. So guys, I want you to watch this video over and over and go back to your charts. Okay, go back to your chart, more especially your demo account. Try to set up your chart in this form. Put it on boom 1000 and boom 500. Then try to identify the trend. Then see how many spikes you can catch with it whenever the trend is in favor of the spike trading. Okay, see how many spikes you can catch. You can start from the beginning of the trend and place your order. You can place like 2 to 3 orders, and at every dip you use it as an opportunity to place a new order. Okay, so you now see the amount of money you are able to make, and while the trend is still going on uptrend, you see the amount of money you are able to make at the end of the day. So you can share your results with me. This will help you to perfect your trading skills, your spike trading skills, and it will also help you to avoid trading. Then I also want you to do something. Okay, try to sell the normal trend. That is, you should sell boom whenever the market is on uptrend, and let's see if you will be able to make profits with that. Remember, you are doing all this on demo account, because I am very sure if you are selling on an uptrend, it is most likely you close most of your trade in negative. Okay, you close most of your trade in negative, but we just want to try it out to see if it will be profitable when we trade whenever the market is on uptrend for boom, or if it will end up burning off our trading capital. Okay, that is what I want us to see. So how easy it is, is it whenever we trade when the market is on uptrend for boom 1000 and boom 500? That is what I want to hear from you. Is it very easy for you when the market is on uptrend? Were you able to close any trade in profit, or you were closing them in negative? Then at the same time, I also want you to trade the spikes also whenever, that is, you buy whenever the market is on uptrend also. So let's see if it is easy for you to trade the spikes when the market is on uptrend. Okay, so like I said, you can place your order when the trend is just starting like this. You can place your order once you get your blue arrow supporting the trend. So you place your order at every dip you get, you place another order. Okay, because those areas are some of the support region which you should take note of. Okay, so at every dip you place a new order so that you will be able to make, and let's see if at the end of the trend you are able to make some profit for yourself or not. So you can share your results with me. Don't worry guys, this is going to be a complete lesson, and we will continue from here tomorrow. Remember, we've only spoken about boom today. We will still talk about crash tomorrow, and definitely we will also add some other things to it in order for you to milk the market successfully. So do not miss out from this training session. It's going to help you a lot. Okay guys, I'll be stopping right here. Remember, if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen, and I'll be dropping them in the description box below this video. And of course, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now and turn on the notification bell to all notifications. That way you will always be notified whenever I upload upload a training video like this. And also do not forget to join us later on in the night for our $500 per day trading tips. It's always a live training session that you see me analyzing the market live and direct. So many people have been joining me all this while. We started this about 2 months ago, and we are about reaching the 60th day. Okay, we are about getting to the 60th day that we've been doing this back to back. Okay, so we've not missed a single day, and I'm really happy that you guys are really taking advantage of that. So many people have been able to withdraw from the trading platform ever since we've started. We've been able to withdraw over $10,000 using this method. Okay, from the from the trading platform using this method. I'm really happy that you guys are really milking the market, and I'm really happy that you have been able to withdraw this much just within 2 months. Okay, I'm keeping the record of the total screenshots I'm getting from people and how they are withdrawing, because I always lay emphasis on that they should learn to withdraw from the trading platform, and that is the main purpose of doing the program. Okay, analyzing the market live and direct before you, and also that will help you to see the way I do my analysis. It will also help you to learn and also at the same time make some money for yourself. So I'll be stopping right here. Do not forget to join me later on in the night for that. And of course, if you have any question, you know what to do. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so and turn on the notification bell to all notifications. That way you always be notified whenever I upload a training video. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.